Fun with Fire. Tonight we're doing a spinning fountain. It's called Rubber Ducky. Rubber Ducky, you're the one. Hey, Bert. It's a cute spinning ducky fountain from Miracle Fireworks. MiracleFireworks.net. That's what it's going to look like. That is a cool rubber ducky, too. He's jamming out to some music. Performance. Here's performance. A cute rubber duck spinning fountain for your kids. Double layers of purple, blue, spring while spinning. Absolutely awesome. There's your item number right there. M375. Pretty cool. It's not, it's Thanksgiving time. It's not a turkey. It's a ducky. But they have turducken, right? So, it works. Let's take them out of the box. Let's see what it looks like. It's like Christmas, opening up a gift. Let's see, that comes out there. And there you have it. That's pretty cool. So this is going to be awesome. He is a cute little rubber ducky. So let's check out Rubber Ducky from Miracle Fireworks. Quack, quack. Let's check it out. All right, let's give this little ducky a spin. Let's see what he's all about. It's lit.